Exercise 10.8, question number 1. The rate of increase in the number of bacteria in a certain bacteria culture is proportional to the number of present. Given that the number triples in 5 hours, then find how many bacteria will be present after 10 hours. Okay. Now solution, let us take Newton's cooling law formula. Newton's cooling law means dA by dt proportional to A. dA by dt proportional to A. So dA by dt instead of proportional means you take equal to K. Okay, so dA by dt equal to K. A is here. After taking variable separable. Variable separable means already I told, taking suppose T and A variables here means taking T part separately, A part separately. Okay, so dA and A is here. So dA by A means A part. After K into dt is here. So K separate variable, D separate variable. I mean T separate variable. But you take K into dt because K is a constant taking outside. Okay. So integral of dA by A equal to integral of K into dt. Okay. Integral of dA by A means integral of dA by A means how to write 1 by A into dA. So integral of 1 by A equal to log of modulus A. Log of modulus A equal to K is constant taking outside, remaining value integral dt. So integral of dt equal to T. Okay. So K is a constant. So K into integral of dt only here. So integral of dt T plus log C is a sum of constant. Okay. After log of modulus A minus, okay, minus because plus log C in opposite minus log C equal to K into dt. It is called log A minus log B concept. Log A minus log B, how to write? Log of A by B. Okay, log of A by B equal to KT. Now that side log in opposite side base E. So modulus of A by C means A by C only equal to log in opposite base E. So base E power KT. Now A equal to divided C in opposite multiple. So C into E power KT. That is called equation number 1. Okay. After, initial conditions. Initial condition means time equal to 0. I mean t equal to 0. A means some amount. A means some amount. A equal to A naught. I take A equal to A naught. It is initial condition. After time 5 hours. I mean in 5 hours. The amount, in 5 hours, give that the number triples in 5 hours. Given that the number triples in 5 hours means, so 5 hours in time 5 hours equal to triples of amount. I mean 3 into A naught. Okay, 3 into A naught. After, you want to prove that, find how many bacteria will be present after 10 hours. So after 10 hours means, what is the A value? I mean bacteria, some amount of bacteria value. Okay. So T equal to 0, A equal to A naught. First condition. T equal to 0, A equal to A naught. What is A value? C e power KT. A equal to C e power KT. A equal to C e power KT. This is A value. So instead of A equal to, put A naught equal to C as it is, E as it is, K as it is, T equal to 0. Okay. So A naught equal to 0 into any number 0. Anything power 0, 1. 1 into C, C only. So A naught equal to C. Okay. After 1 implies, where is 1? Equation number 1. A equal to C e power KT. Okay. So A equal to C. C means A naught. Okay. So A naught e power KT. That is called equation number 2. Okay. After, when T equal to 5, A equal to triples of bacteria. I mean triples of A naught. Okay. Second condition is here. T equal to 5 hour, A equal to triples of A naught. Substitute all the values in equation number 2. So A means 3A naught. A means 3A naught equal to A naught as it is, e power K into T value 5. Okay. Now A naught both side cancel, remaining value e power 5 into K, 5K equal to 3 into 1, 3 only. Okay. Now e power K whole power 5. How to write 5K? How to write? E power K whole power 5 because 5 into K 5K equal to 3. Okay. Now that side 5 in opposite side 1 by 5. That side 5 in opposite side 1 by 5. Okay. So 3 power 1 by 5 equal to E power K. So E power K equal to 3 power 1 by 5. Now substitute E power K value in equation number 2. Okay, so equation number 2 is here A equal to A naught e power k, instead of e power k equal to, you take 3 power 1 by 5 into t. Okay, after when t equal to 10, when t equal to 10 hour, what is a value? Okay, we don't know the a value. So what is a condition? A equal to a naught 3 power 1 by 5 into t, 3 power 1 by 5 into t, but t instead of t equal to you put 10. So 10, okay, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. So a equal to a naught 3 square only. Okay, now a equal to 3 square 9, 9 into 8 and 9 8. So number of bacteria present after 10 hours equal to 9 times. Okay, 9 times of the initial amount. A means already I told, a means some amount. Okay, so initial time of the amount. Thank you, students. Number 2, find the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increases of the population is proportional to the population at the instant, and that in the period of 40 years the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. Okay, student, now solution. Okay, first we take Newton's cooling law, dx by dt proportional to x. Okay, dx by dt proportional to x. Okay, student, now Newton's cooling law, dx by dt proportional to x. Okay, x means amount, so dx by dt equal to k. Already I told, instead of proportional equal to, you take k. Okay, so k into x, kx. Now take dx by x. Dx by x means variable separable. Dx by x equal to k into dt. So dx by x means x term, dt is a t terms. Okay, after variable separable, you take integral. So integral of dx by x equal to k into integral dt. K means constant. Okay, we know integral of 1 by x equal to log of modulus x. So integral of dx by x means log x equal to integral of dt means t. So k into t plus log of c. Log of c is some constant. Now log x, now plus log c in opposite minus log c equal to k into dt, k into t. Okay, now it is log a minus log b concept. So log a minus log b, how to write? Log a by b. Log x by c equal to k into dt. Now x by c equal to, that side log in opposite base e power kt. Now x equal to c e power kt. That is called equation number 1. After initial period, time 0 equal to population value x equal to 3 lakhs. After time 40 years, okay, time 40 years equal to the population value 4 lakhs. Okay, in the question, in a time period 40 years of the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs. So I take t equal to 40 years means x equal to 4 lakhs, because the population increased from 3 lakhs to 4 lakhs in 40 years. Okay, when t equal to 0, initial time 0, equal to the population x equal to 3 lakhs. Substitute x equal to 3 lakhs, t equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, x equal to 3 lakhs, c e power k into t value equal to 0. Okay, now 0 into any number 0, anything power 0, 1, 1 into c, c equal to 3 lakhs. After 1 equal to, equation number 1 equal to x equal to c value 3 lakhs e power k into t. Okay, that is called equation number 2. After initial time 40 years, okay, time 40 years, x equal to 4 lakhs. Substitute all values in this equation. So x equal to 4 lakhs, 3 lakhs e power k into t equal to 40. Okay, now both side 50 cancel. Remaining value 4 equal to 3 into e power k into 40. Okay, after multiple 3 in opposite divisible. So 4 by 3 equal to e power k into 40. E power k into 40. Now 4 by 3. Now that side 40 in opposite 1 by 40. That side 40 in opposite 1 by 40 equal to e power k. That is called equation number 3. Now substituting equation 3 into, this equation. This is called equation number 3. Substitute the equation in 2. Okay. Instead of e power k equal to, you substitute 4 by 3, 1 by 40 value. Okay, so x equal to 3 lakhs e power k into t. That is called equation number 2. Now x equal to 3 lakhs e power k value already told, 4 by 3, 1 by 40. 4 by 3, 1 by 40. 4 by 3 power 1 by 40 power t. Now x equal to 3 lakhs 4 by 3 t into 1 t by 40. It is called the final result of second question. Okay. Thank you, students.
Okay, student, now question number 4. The engine of a motor boat moving at 10 meter per second is shut off. Given that the retardation at any subsequent time after shutting off the engine equal to the velocity at the time, find the velocity after 2 seconds switching off the engine. Okay, now solution. Now changing the velocity formula, dv by dt equal to minus v, because retardation means reduce, I mean kuraidal. Okay, so dv by dt equal to the velocity means reduce, so minus v. Now taking variable separable, variable separable means dv by v equal to integral of dt, okay. So integral of dv by v equal to integral of dt, I mean v part separate, t part separate is here. We know 1 by v, I mean integral 1 by v equal to log v. So integral of dv by v equal to log v, log of modulus t. Okay, equal to integral of dt equal to minus t, because minus sign is here, so minus t plus log c is the sum of the constant. Okay, now plus log c in opposite minus log c equal to minus t. Now log a minus log b, how to write log of a by b? So log of e by c equal to minus e. Now that side log in opposite base e, so e power minus t is here. Now divisible c in opposite multiple, so v equal to c e power minus t. That is called equation number 1. After when t equal to 0, because initial timing always 0, so t equal to 0, velocity, initial velocity is give 10 meter per second. So substitute, instead of v equal to 10 meter per second, instead of t equal to 0, so c e power t equal to 0 after v equal to 10. So anything power 0 1, so 1 into c, anything power 0, minus into 0 0, anything power 0 1, 1 into c equal to 10. Okay, after 1 implies instead of c equal to put 10, so v equal to 10 e power minus t is here. After subdivision 2, I mean t equal to 2 second, what is the velocity? T equal to 2 second, so v equal to 10 e power minus 2 is here. So e power minus 2, how to write? E power minus 2 means 1 by e power 2, because that is a power minus m concept. A power minus m, how to write? 1 by a power m. So e power minus 2, 1 by e power plus 2. So velocity equal to 10 by e power 2 meter per second. So that is the final result of the velocity. Okay, thank you, students.
Okay, student, now question number 6. Assume that the rate which radioactive nuclei decay is proportional to the number of such nuclei that the present in a given sample. In a certain sample, 10% of the original number of radioactive nuclei have undergone disintegration in a period of 100 years. What percentage of the original radioactive nuclei will remain after 100 years? Okay, now solution. Let n be a amount of sample. What is the Newton Coulomb law? dn by dt proportional to n, because n and n means amount of samples. Okay, so dn by dt proportional to n. Already I told dn by dt, instead of proportional equal to you take k, instead of proportional equal to you take k into n, kn. But minus is means dk means reduce. Dk means reduce, in Tamil word sidaivurudal. Okay, so dk means reduce. So reduce means you take negative sign. So integral of dn by n, I mean variable separable, taking variable separable. Variable separable means dn by n after minus k into dt. So dn by n means integral dn by n equal to minus k into dt. K means constant. Okay, now integral of 1 by n dn concept. Integral of 1 by n equal to log of modulus n. Okay, integral of dn by n means log of modulus n equal to integral of dt equal to t. So minus k into t minus kt plus log c is some constant. After log n plus log c in opposite minus log c equal to minus k into dt. That is called log a minus log b constant. Log a minus log b equal to log a by b. I mean log n by c equal to minus k into t. Now that say log in opposite base e. So e power minus kt. N by c equal to e power minus kt. Now n equal to c e power minus kt. That is called equation number 1. Okay. After t equal to 0, I mean initial timing 0, n equal to n naught, I mean amount of samples, n means n naught, initial time. Okay, substitute all the values in this equation. So n means n naught equal to c e power minus k into what is meant by t equal to 0. 0 into any number 0. Anything power 0 1. 1 into c c. So c equal to n naught. After 1 implies substitute c equal to n naught. So n equal to c equal to n naught e power minus kt. That is called equation number 2. After when t equal to 100, when t equal to after t equal to 100 years, n equal to 90%. N equal to 90% because 100 year is here. 10% of original number of radioactive nucleus here. So 10% means total number of percentage 100. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90%. So you take 90 by 100 n naught. Okay, so n equal to 90 by 100. Substitute all the values in this equation. So n equal to 90 by 100 into n naught equal to n naught e power minus k into t value 100. Okay, now n naught cancel and 1010 cancel. Remaining only 9 by 10 equal to e power minus k into 100. Okay, so 9 by 10, that side 100 in opposite, power 1 by 10.
Okay students, now 2 implies, where is equation number 2? Where is equation number 2 is n equal to n naught e power minus kt. Okay, so instead of e power minus k equal to, you take 9 by 10 whole power 1 by 100. Okay, after power t. Okay, so instead of e power minus k equal to 9 by 10 whole power 1 by 100. Now when t equal to 1000, n equal to question mark. So we want to prove that n value. So n equal to n naught 9 by 10 whole power 1 by 100 after t equal to 1000. Now 0 0 cancel, remaining value n equal to n naught 9 by 10 whole power 10. So n equal to n naught, this is power value, power 10 is here. So 9 power 10 divided by 10 power 10. So n equal to n naught into 9 power 10 divided by 10 power 8 into 100. So 10 power 10, how to write? 10 power 8 into 10 square. Okay, 10 power 8, 10, how to write? 10 square into 10 power 8. 10 square means 100, 10 power 8 as it is. Now n equal to n naught, okay, n equal to n naught 9 power 10 divisible by 10 power 8 whole divisible by 100, whole divisible by 100. Now 10 power 10 divided by 10 power 8 percentage of original radioactive nuclear is here. Thank you students. Okay students, let us start now question number 7. Water at temperature 100 degrees Celsius cools in 10 minutes to 80 degrees Celsius in a room temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Subdivision 1, the temperature of water after 20 minutes. Subdivision 2, the time when the temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Okay, now log E value gave 11 by 15. Minus 0.3101 after log 5 value gave 1.6094. Okay, now solution. Let take the Newton's cooling law. dt by dt proportional to t minus 25. T minus 25 means temperature value 25 degree. Okay, so dt by dt instead of proportional means you take k. So k equal to k of t minus 25 after taking variable separable. Variable separable means taking t part separately, capital T part separately, small t part separately. So dt divided by t minus 25 equal to k. K means sum of constant after dt. Okay, after taking integral. So integral of 1 by t minus 25 into dt is here. Already told integral of 1 by x means log x. So integral of 1 by t minus 25 means log of modulus t minus 25 equal to k is a constant after integral of dt means t. Okay, plus log c is a some constant. So now that side plus log c in opposite minus log c. So log of t minus 25 minus log c equal to k into t. After that is log a minus log b concept. Log a minus log b equal to log of a by b. That means t minus 25 divided by c equal to kt. Now that side log in opposite base e. Okay, so t minus 25 divided by c equal to e power kt. Now t minus 25 equal to divided c in opposite multiple. So c into e power kt. That is called equation number 1. Okay, after when t equal to 0, initial timing always 0. Initial temperature is give 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, substitute caps t equal to 100 degree, small t equal to 0. So 100 minus 25 equal to c e power k power 0 because small t value 0. So k 0 into any number 0, anything power 0 1. So 1 into c, c equal to 100 minus 25 equal to 75. That is called c value. Substitute c value in equation number 1. Okay, now 1 implies t minus 25, c equal to substitute 75. So 75 e power kt is here. That is called equation number 2. After time equal to 10 minutes, after temperature equal to 80 degree. Okay, so substitute caps t equal to 80, small t, 80 minus 25 equal to 75 e power 10 into small t equal to 10. So 10 into k, 10k. So 80 minus 25 equal to 55. That side multiple 75 in opposite divisible. So 55 divided by 75 equal to 11 5s are 55, 15 5s are 75 equal to e power k into 10. Now 11 by 15, that side power 10 is in opposite, power 1 by 10 equal to e power k. So instead of e power k equal to, I wrote 11 by 15 power 1 by 10. Okay, so t minus 25, 75 into e power k into t is here. Now instead of e power k equal to, I wrote 11 by 15 power 1 by 10. Okay, so 75 of 11 by 15 power 1 by 10 whole power t. So t minus 25 equal to 75, 11 by 15, 1 into t, because power value both are multiple. So 1 into t by 10 is here. That is called equation number 3. After the third condition, when t equal to 20, what is the temperature? Room temperature. Timing equal to 20, temperature equal to question mark. So t minus 25 equal to 75 into 11 by 15 whole power, t value equal to 20. So 20 by 10 is here. 10 cancel, power value 2 is here. So t minus 25 equal to 75 into 11 square 121, 15 square 225. So t minus 25 equal to 121 divided by 225. Okay, now 121 divided by 225 equal to 0.537. Okay, 121 divided by 225 equal to 0.537. After 0.537 into 75. Okay, 0.537 into 75 equal to, we get the solution 40.333. So t minus 25 equal to 40.333. Now that side minus 25 in opposite plus 25. So 40.333 plus 25 equal to 65.33 degrees Celsius. That is called the temperature. Okay, first part over. Temperature value 65.30 degrees Celsius. Okay, after second part.
When t equal to 40 degree.
Now second subdivision, the temperature is 40 degree. What is the time? Time in small t. Okay, substitute all the values in this equation. So t minus 25 equal to 75 of 11 by 15 whole power t by 10 is here. Now instead of temperature equal to substitute 40. So 40 minus 25 equal to 75 of 11 by 15 whole power t by 10. So 40 minus 25 equal to 15. So 15, that's a divisible, 75, multiple 75 in opposite divisible. So 15 by 75 equal to 11 by 15 power t by 10 is here. So 15 by 75 equal to 1 by 5. Because 115 is 15, 5 15s are 75 equal to 11 by 15 whole power t by 10. After taking log on both sides. Okay, so log of 1 by 5 equal to log of 11 by 15 power t by 10. Now log of 1 by 5, that is log of a by b concept. You know, log of a by b equal to log a minus log b. Okay, that is log a by b concept. So log a minus log b equal to log of 11 by 15 whole power t by 10 is here. Now log 1 value gave, log 1 value is 0. Log 1 equal to 0. That is a basic rule. So instead of log 1 equal to put 0 minus log 5 value gave in your book 1.6094 equal to log 11 by 10 is here. So log 11 by 15 value minus 0.3101. Okay, so log of 11 by 15 equal to minus 0.3101 is here. So now log 1 value is 0, log 5 value gave 1.6094 equal to t by 10 of log 11 by 15 value gave minus 0.3101, because that is log a power m concept. Log a power m, how to write? M log a. Okay, so 0 minus 1.6094 equal to t by 10 of log 11 by 15 value gave minus 0.3101. Now 0 minus any number, so minus 1.6094 into 10 into 10, because divisible 10 in opposite multiple, so multiple 10. After that side multiple minus 0.3101 in opposite side divisible equal to t only here. Now both side negative value cancel. After t equal to after 10 into 1.6094 equal to 16.094 divisible by 0.3101 is here. After reducing the value, we get the solution 51.889 minutes. So 51.89 minutes, how to write 51.9? Approximately I take 51.9. That is the final value. I mean time value equal to 51 minutes. Okay. Thank you, students.